Hi, are you Cecilia?
Yes, I am. Can you please come in?
Well, you want to come take a seat in my car?
Yeah, that'd be better.
All right. Why don't we put the dog in here and then you can come outside?
Sounds good.
Hi, Mom. Can you tell me what's going on?
She called 911 again. She's called like 4 times total. So the solution, since the time that she got back here from Flower, my solution is to go to St. Charles. Is that okay? I know she's 18,
Whatever
so she
you
can.
need to do.
Okay. St. Charles will actually care about her. Flower just does this all the time, so we're frustrated on that aspect. St. Charles will actually get her some assistance. Is she cool with you right now, or is she upset with you?
She hates me.
Okay. Her name's Cecilia, right?
Yeah.
Is it alright if I come in? Hey, Cecilia, can we come to my car and we can talk? Yes. That way we can talk privately?
Yes.
Okay. You want to go back to the hospital? Okay, ma'am.
I think I'm fine. I'm fine.
Ma'am, you're on 911. You're with the Sylvania Township police officer. 911, you can actually disconnect.
Please do not. I would like to be continued on the phone while I tell an officer my story.
427 to 412. Are you all
can you
set?
please take me to someone else then, sir?
Negative. Start this way. Let's have a seat in here.
I was just there and they gave me a psychological assessment and they said that I'm okay.
Okay.
So
Why don't you have a seat for me?
I'm good to have a seat. I'm good. Are we gonna report a crime? Because that's what I'm here for.
We're working on it.
I'm not gonna talk to you unless we're here to report a crime and I can have someone.
Well,
report
I'm listening to you, but I want to make sure that you're comfortable first and outside of the public view. That way I can speak.
I'm not comfortable with you.
Okay. So do you want to speak to
the public view.
Okay. So do you want to speak to a female instead?
I would like to speak with multiple people.
Who? What?
I would. Yeah.
Okay. So do you want to speak to?
I have a crime to report.
Yes.
And why are you asking me like I'm the issue here?
I'm just trying to make sure that I get the information correctly and as comfortable as possible.
Okay. Well, then can you please take me to the police station right now?
Okay. Why don't you put your seatbelt on?
Thank you. I will. Yes, I can, ma'am. I'm going to be going to the police station, so thank you so much.
Sure. Can I have your driver's license?
Why do you need that?
To see who you are.
Why do you need to see who I am? I'm going to be reporting the crime. Can you just take me there?
I'm not an Uber. I can take you to the hospital.
I've said who I am over the phone multiple times.
Okay. Cecilia, what's your last name?
That's my last name, sir.
Okay.
Can you take me to the police station right now?
What would taking you to the police station do right now?
I'm not talking to you. I'm going to call 911 again if you keep talking to me like this.
Okay, then that's misuse of 911, so... Because you're already with law enforcement.
Then I'll go to the hospital and tell them my truth. That's
okay, I'm offering
fine.
to take you to the hospital. That's what I'm trying to do right now. Okay, can I take you to St. Charles Hospital where they will actually care about you and actually assist you more so?
No, you're going to take me to Flower Hospital. Thank you.
They just saw you.
Yes, they did.
Okay, I'm going to take you to St. Charles.
You're not going to tell me. Okay, I'm going to report this.
Stay in the car.
Oh my god! 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 Take your hands off me! Take your hands off me! Oh my god! Please take your hands off me! Take it off me, please! Take it off of me! 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 Take it off!
Then you're going to sit in the back
Take your
of the
hand off of me!
You're going to sit like an adult in the back of the car. You're 18 years old. Sit in the back of the car.
I'm not your child, sir.
I know you're not.
Adult.
You're an adult.
So
exactly.
get your f***ing hands off me or you're going to be an assaulter. You're
seat.
assaulting me, cop. You're assaulting me, cop.
I literally have my hand on this.
Get your f***ing hand off my f***ing wrist. It's tied on my f***ing wrist. Oh, you're taking my phone now? You're taking my... What are you doing? You're taking my shit now? You're using your power against me because you love it that much because you're that f***ing autistic?
Well, now you're under arrest.
Take me to the police station. Take me. Take me, sir. Take me. I'm ready. Get your f***ing hands off me and take me to the police station.
This interaction is far from over.
I'm okay. I'm going to need some help putting some handcuffs on her. She's extremely upset trying to kick the back window and kicked me a couple times. I'm okay.
I'm sorry you're okay, you little asshole. You little f***ing asshole. I'm so glad you're okay after I kicked you, baby boy. Baby boy, baby boy.
She's going to jail now. So why don't you sit inside the house for him? Assault on a police officer, misuse of 911, obstructing official business, and disorderly conduct.
Baby boy, baby boy. Aww, aww. And then you had to use your power against me because you're that f***ing weak. You wanted to grab a woman. You wanted to grab a woman.
She has a water bottle in the back, vape, a couple other things. She did kick me, so she's going for assault and obstructing.
Okay.
She's a little bit squirmy. She's agitated. So we need to get those things out first.
Can I try to talk to her?
You can try everything.
What's her name?
Talk to her back here.
Cecilia.
You wanted to grab a woman so bad you're gonna grab an 18-year-old girl who's been raising her boys. You're f***ing the head for that. You're f***ing the head for that. Nah, you're f***ing. Baby boy, are you okay?
We can talk to her back here without opening the door.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. It's Officer Madeline and Officer Ashland.
I would like to get out of get away from this man.
Listen, we're here to talk to you, okay?
Okay.
Will you talk to us?
So that's the problem.
Okay.
And so that's why I'm here existing as the way I'm existing, because my understanding isn't good enough for him.
Okay. Listen.
I'm ready to go. I'm sorry. I'm
Hey,
just pissed.
Listen. My name's Madeline. I'm here for you, okay?
Thank you.
And right now we're gonna be taking you somewhere, okay? And you're gonna come with us, okay?
Okay. Well, where are you gonna be taking me?
Where were you taking me?
I was originally going to go to St. Charles.
Can I go to Flower?
Listen.
Listen. I want to go to Flower. Take me to Flower.
You were just at Flower, right?
I was, and then they said I was completely amazing and fine. And then guess what? I had all these memories coming back
Okay. What memories did you have?
of my father assaulting me.
Okay.
As long as she's talking and not kicking, I'm fine with just keeping her back there. I didn't see any weapons. She just had her wallet, Stanley, so we need to get that Stanley.
Where's the Stanley?
And the vape. Stanley's in the back. I tried to get that, but I was only able to get her phone.
Well, we're here, and our sergeant.
We're here. I don't care.
Well,
Take me to the police
our
station.
sergeant just got here.
Good.
She's in the back. She has a Stanley and a couple other things in the back. Wanted to go to the police station. I said, no, we're going to the hospital. She demanded to go to Flower. I said, no, we're going to go to St. Charles. That's where it kind of went down. Tried to get back out. I tried to shut the door. That's when she kind of fell into the seat, the front of the seat there. Okay. I just put my hand on her wrist just to prevent her, and then it escalated to her kicking a couple of times. So she's got assault, she's got obstructing, she's got misuse of 911 and disorderly because she was extremely loud. Anybody around here could have heard it.
All right, you still want to go St. Charles pending charges?
That's fine, but she don't like me. I can take her, but she's probably going to try and break my car. I do have these, so this would probably be better for a transport.
I'm kind of thinking it's worth maybe putting somebody in back that she gets along with and just have both of you go.
Two-man.
Hog tie.
So she just doesn't like any of us right now? Okay.
Yeah. You don't have anything else to say?
No, I'm thinking, okay?
I know you're thinking. It's hard.
This is Sergeant Bottles.
Hello, Sergeant Bottles.
Hey, so we're trying to get you to the hospital.
I'm going to go to the police station to report a crime. If I'm not going to go to Flower Hospital, then I'm going to go to the police station.
Okay, it's either going to be...
Do you understand my understanding?
It's either going to be the hospital or jail.
Then take me to jail. I'm ready.
Okay, all right.
Take me.
We'll do that.
Okay, take me. I'm so ready. Let's do it.
10-5?
Yep.
Okay.
Take me to jail, boys. I'm ready. You've been wanting to lock me up since day one, huh? Well, here I am.
Do a two-man here.
So listen, we're going to open the door, we're going to handcuff you.
And as long as you cooperate...
You're going to handcuff me after I just got assaulted by that man.
Okay, listen. After we handcuff you, are you going to cooperate when you drive down there?
I'm always cooperating, sir. Yes,
okay.
sure.
So it was kind of rough earlier.
It was rough because I got assaulted by that man.
Okay, that's what we're going to do, okay?
Go ahead and spin around.
Oh, I'm ready. Don't even worry about it, Bottles. Okay. Don't even worry about it, Mr. Bottles.
We gotta take the vape.
Do you have
Take all of my stuff. Do you have anything else on you?
I might have my phone. That man assaulted me, so it could have flown anywhere.
There we go.
We're gonna put a seatbelt on you, okay?
Okay, do it. You got it, Mr. Bottles?
Is your water?
Thank you, yes. You're so sweet.
And you lost the phone.
I sure did.
Phone's on the hood. I got it.
Can you find it, Bottles?
Phone and water.
Can you find it, Mr. Bottles?
Yes.
Thank you. Oh, you're so sweet, Mr. Bottles. Thank you so much.
Right.
You're the
We'll
best.
be cool going down there, okay?
Oh, I will. Thank you, Bottles. Thank you.
I'd like you in the back seat though, so in case she's starting to do something,
Yeah,
you can
that's
at
fine.
least get him to stop and keep her
Yep,
control from
sure.
not spinning. Are you good with that?
Yeah, that's fine.
The one officer's going to ride next
Listen,
to you.
okay.
Okay?
Listen, okay.
So
I'm listening.
just be cool with her going down. We'll have no problems at all. All right?
Well, that's perfect.
Do you need,
That's all I need, Bottles. What events did your daughter do?
my daughter?
Yeah, your
You know my
daughter.
daughter?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
I do, Bottles.
She's at Ohio State now.
Well, good for her. Queen, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Queen, that's some boss energy. She did it all by herself, huh? And she's in the hospital. What's she studying?
She is environmental science.
What? Good for her.
I know.
Wow, she's doing good things, huh? Wow, that's impressive of her. I've always been proud of her.
Oh, good. I'll let her know.
Oh, good. You proud of how you talk to me now? That I'm going to tell your daughter what you did?
I've talked to you decent the whole time I've been with you.
All right. Alright.
That's what I try to do with everybody.
Even people who just got assaulted by a police officer?
No.
Well,
there'll be video. There's body cams.
That's good. I'm glad there is.
Okay, we'll review it.
Yeah, I know you will. So shut the door. Or don't talk to me like that.
Madeline's going to be with you. All right?
I'm Madeline.
Okay.
I'm going to ride with you,
Thank you, Bottles.
All right.
Thank you. All right.
Good luck.
Thank you. You too. Good luck. All right.
I'm going to ride back here with you, okay?
Thank you. Come on in. Aw, now that I know his daughter, he doesn't want me to not like him. That's sweet. Reminds me of someone. My f***ing father. But good thing we're going to report a crime today. Multiple crimes. Just like this officer right here. He's a crime in itself. I see me in the camera. I look cute. Hey, FBI. Hi, Dad. Oh, you turned off the FBI camera? Bye, FBI. How far is the police department? Wherever the f*** we're going?
We're going to jail.
Oh, okay. How far is that?
It'll be about 15, 20 minutes.
Okay, good to know.
So we're almost there. You want to listen to me real quick?
Yeah.
We're almost there. Are you going to walk in there nicely with me?
Yeah, I'll be good. I'll be good. Just not for him.
Well, he's going to be with us, okay?
That's fine. As long as his hands aren't on me,
Okay.
and he's not screaming at me and pushing me down and pushing me into a police car and not letting me cook him out because I don't want his hands on me and grabbing my wrist tightly. As long as he's not doing that, then I will be so good for you guys.
Well, I'll be the one walking, like, I'll grab your arm and walk you in, okay?
Period. Period, girl. We in this together. Wait, can I sing a song? What should I sing? You pick. Any song, like Twinkle Twinkle?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so bright, like a diamond in the night. Twinkle, I made it up. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. You're not a star though, Mr. Sir. But this girl, she's a star.
Alright, so I'm going to have to get out, and then I'm going to come around that
That's
side,
perfect,
okay?
that's perfect. Hi, FBI. This is me speaking my truth. I'm sorry. My dad has an illegal business, and he's in the FBI. My dad has an illegal business.
Cecilia, you're going to walk in with me, okay? He's going to walk behind us, but I'm going to be with
My dad's an illegal alien. He should have a warrant out for his arrest.
Okay, ready?
When you have an illegal business and you're in the federal bureau, that's illegal.
Right,
just so you know.
Cecilia, you're going to walk in with me, okay?
I'm sorry, I was just speaking to the people.
Because of the high volume of 911 calls, please use the following directory. If you have symptoms, please hang up and call 612-188-6336.
911 systems get overwhelmed a lot faster than people think. Now, you saw that scene in Contagion where Matt Damon's character tries calling 911 after witnessing what looks like a murder, and the lines are overwhelmed. Now, that scene stayed with me because people forget misuse of 911 has real consequences, and this body cam is a perfect example of how fast these calls can change into something else entirely. That moment around 2:47 stood out to me immediately. She just stares at the officer, and if you've handled enough mental health calls, you know that look. That's usually when the disconnect is widening between what's actually happening and the reality the person's building in their own head. Every unnecessary 911 call ties up officers, dispatchers, and emergency lines someone else may desperately need. And when that system gets overloaded, eventually somebody having the worst night of their life hears nothing but silence.
This suspect, Cecilia, was charged with simple assault, obstructing, disorderly conduct, and misuse of 911. We hope she gets the help she needs, and she is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
You have reached Austin 911. Do not hang up. Please hold for the next available call taker.